Do you want to learn how to create your website for free using Canva? Now in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own website or a simple one-page website using Canva. Let's jump right into my computer. Okay, right now we're in canva.com. Canva is a very useful graphic design software that I use for mostly all my graphic designs that I need for my ads, for my websites, and so on. Now, this is the main page, canva.com. You come in, you can see over here, right? So all you need is to come over here, search, type website, okay? All right, so right now you can see here's all the website. You see, it's already pre-designed for you. Now, just want to be clear here, right? When you move around, you can see all the design. And here, this is free one. This is a paid one, right? Paid, free, right? So not all these are free. So if you're budget constrained, then choose the free one, okay? Let's say, for example, I am a restaurant. I just want a simple one-page restaurant's website to show what are the food that we have. Then I can just choose, right? Let's say I take this one. All right, so right now you have your website. Now, you can see that how Canva designed the website is like a PowerPoint, okay? So over here, you can see we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, okay? Each one is one section by itself, okay? So right now, let me share how it's going to look like as your website. So I can come here, I can publish as a website. Now, as you want to publish the website, it gives you like a website style. You want it like presentation. Presentation means that it's one by one. Let me go through one by one and show you, all right? So let's say we click on presentation, open the website. It pops up to another screen and shows you how it's going to look like. Now, this is the full page of website, okay? And this is how it's going to look like. And then, yeah, just click next. You can see next, next, and next. This is how your website looks like. It's just like PowerPoint, okay? Let's go on to the next one. Let's say we want to see the scrolling type. Then click here, open the website. So here you just scroll it, okay? And you can see all the sections. Okay, we have 5 sections. So this is like a normal website, okay? Yeah, so this is called scrolling the web style. Let's see what's next. Next one will be the classic navigation. All right, so classic navigation, you can see here, it's just like this section, and all this is like the menu. If I want to go to the next section, I click here, you'll just move on to the next one, and next one. Yeah, so it's very simple. It's just like PowerPoint, but instead of we click right or left, then you have the menu navigation bar on top. So this is the classic navigation. Next one will be the standard website. So click on open, okay? It's almost like scrolling. So you can scroll, and then you can have also the menu on top, just like normal standard website. Click here, it will scroll down. Click here, it will scroll down. Click, all right, click here. Yeah, so this is how the whole website looks like. It's just a web page website. So if you want a simple website, you can use Canva totally for free to create your website. And it's so simple. Let me show you how to do that. So right now, I'm going to edit the website. So this is like edit a PowerPoint. So here, let's say I want to edit it. I will go and call this, okay, Andrew Japanese restaurant. So you can see here. Now I can change this to my address, right? Just click and then you can change. 1, 2, 3, right? My address. You can see that, yeah? Now, if I want to change the photos here, then you can just change and replace the photo with your photos. So if I don't have photos, I can click here the photos in Canva. So I can choose the photos. Let's say I want the Japanese food. Okay, so there are plenty of Japanese food. Now, some of these pro version means that you have to pay. Yeah, so if you're not paying, just click on the free one. Yeah, and just drag it over, and it basically replace it. You see that? Yeah, so it just replace the photo. It's so simple. Okay, next, then I go to the next section, and I can change. Yeah, so let's say I don't want this, I can change to this. You see, and I want to resize it, I can double click, and then I can just move it around. Done. Okay, so I want to make it bigger, smaller. Yeah, I can resize it like this. So I can also change the layout. Yeah, if I want to add some more other stuff, I can, right? So let's say I want to add one more photos. I can put another photos over here. Okay, so basically I can move this around. I can put another photos if I want. Yeah. So then it will look something like this. All right, now it's totally up to you. How do you want to lay it out? You see, so you get a 5 section. Can I have more? Yeah, you can have more section. If I want to add some more section over here, you can see here, add page. Then I get another blank page, right? So if I want to like duplicate it, I can also duplicate page. So I have to do the same thing. Okay, so meaning that let's say I remove this, delete it off. I want to have menus. Okay, so this is menu number 1. Then I can have menu number 2. Then I can just change it, right? Change to something else. You see, then here I can put other photos related to your menu. Okay, so now I have like 2 sections of menus. All right, so now if you want to rearrange this, you can also rearrange this. Just drag and then rearrange it, so the menus will come on top. So after you finish, click on the publish, and then just do on the standard, open our website, and basically you can see here, all right, as what you have done. Yeah, so you have your like first menu section, second menu sections. If you want more, then you just scroll, go on. Okay, then this is totally free of charge. Yeah, so all you need is that take this link, okay, and then share it to the potential customers. All right, now of course the link is not as nice as the so-called your branded. Yeah, but this is totally free. Let me show you the link. All right, let's show you the link here. This is the link that you're going to share. It's like canva.com/design DAE blah blah blah, all those stuff, right? Now if this is not a real nice URL domain and doesn't have any like your branding, you see, but it's totally free. You've got no choice, then use this first, and then later you have business getting better or you earn some money, you can invest in a better website. Yeah, but at least you have some website that the customer can visit and have a look at what you offer. So there are good things and bad things about this. One is good thing is free, totally free. A bad thing is that you don't have a so-called branded domain URL like your brand or your restaurant's name.com. Okay, like I have my andrewcheah.com. Yeah, here you don't have it. You have all this like Canva, all this all this .com. Okay, and nothing is that it's resized to the mobile. You will see something like this. Yeah, it still looks good, but the font, it can be a little bit small. It is not responsive like what, if you have watched some of my video earlier on, okay, on what are the minimum requirements for the website guideline. If you don't watch it, you can watch it right here. I talk about responsive website, meaning that it will change or resize the photos to suit different device like mobile or tablet, iPad, and so on. So this one, you don't have it, but it's resized, okay, pretty nice, yeah, but the words is a little bit small. All right, but if you really want something free, this is something that is easy to do. You can do it right away within a couple hours, yeah. Then you have your website, you can launch it straight away. So I hope this video will give you an idea. If you want to have a free website using Canva, this is how you can do it. So just follow step by step and play around with the design. And it's basically like a PowerPoint. You can move it all around, any design that you want. So the only downside is that it doesn't give you the branding, right? So if you want a better branding, then invest in a website. Now, since you are my subscribers, do hit down to the description below. I put a link and you can see the websites that we create for a client, and we will give you a special rate for my subscribers. So with less than 1,000 ringgit, you can own your business website and start running with a branded domain name. So if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish business tips videos like this, you will be notified. And meanwhile, here's some other videos that we're done that can help you grow your business online. I see you real soon in my next video.